Welcome back to the channel. This video I am going to start a brand new episode. Our topics Surds. This is very important and we are starting unit 18 exercise 18.1 and we are following Cambridge O-level Hodder textbook. So let's get started. First thing first, so we have to know about what is surd. A surd is simplify a square root or cubic root that gives an irrational number. So what is irrational number? Irrational number is it can be written as a neat fraction. The decimals go on forever without repeating. So I hope you clear this one. So this video we are going to simplify the following starting whether the result is rational or irrational. So here is lots of question A to T. So look here some root are single like root 12, root 1000, root 75, root 40, root 400, 800. So these kinds of root we will make one episode, and multiplication like root 20 times root 18. So these kinds of matter we will solve second part, and finally like division root 108 divide root 12, or we can say root 60 times root 20 divide root 12. It will be third episode. So by this way you can learn or you can keep practice step by step. So first one root 12. So 1a root 12. So these kinds of matter we have to find out the highest factor. Like here is this 12 we can write 4 times 3, but why not 6 times 2? That's why we cannot write 6 times 2 because 4 is a perfect square. Against 4 we can write like root 4 times root 3. So it means root 4 is a 2 and this is root 3. So 2 root 3, root 3 is an irrational number. So whole thing is become our target. What our target to find out the result is rational or irrational. So we can say the answer is this is our answer, which is irrational number, right? Irrational number. So number A done. Number B, here is root 1000. So this one also similar thing. We can write like root 100 times here is 10. So we can separate 100 times root 10. So root 100 it means what? 10, and here is root 10. So this one also similar thing. This is irrational number, right? So in bracket we can write irrational. Number C, root 45. So this 45, let's think 9 times 5 is a 45. So 9 is a square root. So 9 times 5, then root 9 times root 5. So it will become 3 root 5. So this one also irrational number. I just write IRR. You can consider full thing. Okay. Then number D, root 300. D root 300. So this one we can write like 100 times 3, okay, and then root. So this one is root 100 times root 3. So root 100 means 10 and here is root 3. So this one also irrational number because we cannot fixed out this root 3. Root 3 is a irrational number. Then number what? Number A, B, C, D done. Now number E. Number E is root 75. So 75 we can write 25 times 3. This is a root sign. So root 25, it means 5, or we can say root 25 times root 3. Similar thing, root 25 is a 5, and then root. So we can say this one also irrational number. So number E done. But number F we will not solve this part. We already mentioned we will segregate single, multiplication and division, right? So now we can do number K, right? Number K is root 40. So K root 40. So this one, what can we do? Like 4 times 10 is a 40. So 4 is a perfect square. So root 4 times root 10. And then root 4 means 2, and here is root 10. This one also irrational number. Now we will solve K done. Then L. L is root 54. L root 54. So this one, 9 times 6 is a 54. 9 is a perfect square. So root 9 times root 6 equals to 3 root 6. This one also irrational number. Okay. L. Then M. M will be 800, right? Or 98, sorry. L. This one done. L done. M 98. 98 root 98. So how can we segregate this one? Look, 49 times 2 is a 98. So square root 49 times root 2. Root 49, it means 7, and here is root 2. This one also irrational number. So number M done. Now we try to solve number N. 1n. Here is root 800. This root 800 we can segregate like 400 times 2. Then 400 square root of 400 times root 2. So 400, once we make a square root we will get 20, and here is root 2. So this one also irrational number. Okay. And today's final question, which is number O. Number O, which is 363 equal. So this 363, how can we segregate? 369, so we can divide this one by 3. So 363, once we divide by 3, here is 1. So 3, so 6, 2, and here become 3. So 1, 3. So 1 to 1. 1 to 1 is a perfect square. So we can write root 1 to 1 times 3. Then root 1 to 1 times root 3, and then root 1 to 1, it becomes 11 and root 3. So root 3 is a irrational number, so whole thing become irrational. Okay, so thank you very much. We are trying to solve single square root. Please subscribe my channel, which is MathJip, and I hope by this channel you will get lots of things based on Cambridge O-level. I wish you good success, good health, and please keep practice at the home. And if you think this video is helping you, I request you please subscribe my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you.